philosophy is a discipline. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's I have here object or materials. So what it is?
Mirror.
Okay, very good. How about this?
Light.
Lights. So lighter.
Lighter.
Okay, if let's observe if I perform this. So what did you see?
Light. Na mirror.
Okay, who want to answer that one?
Sir, reflection.
Okay, very good. So our topic is connected to this one is interconnected to our topic this afternoon. So yeah, did you recall what our topic yesterday? It's Spartan.
So it's all about reflection of light.
Okay, very good. So reflection of lights. It's all about how reflect the lights in object or material. So this afternoon, our topic is how materials interact with different lights. So what is optics? So Miss Cuarte, read the definition.
Optics is a study of refraction.
Okay, very good. It is a study of refraction, reflection, absorption, and transmission of light. So the first parts of optic is refraction. So who want to read? Sandra, as Angelica.
Refraction refers to the bending of light as it passes through different materials. Example, pencil in the glass of water.
So the best example for that is glass in wait lang. Glass in a water and in a pencil.